Hi guys, another one of my odd ideas for a rubber band powered car. I was in Lidl today and saw this 4-pack of glass drinking straws. So I thought, what can I do with them? And obviously my answer was another rubber band powered car. So I've done some printing already. This is the front and back, and these are the spacers and the grippers for the CDs. Because I don't want to try and cut these, so I've got to make spacers to hold them in place, and I'll have the wheels on the outside. I need to clean these. Well, I've cleaned those ones up already, but I need to clean these up because I had to put supports in them to hold everything in position. So I'll clean them up and we'll see if it runs. Oh, obviously we'll need a rubber band or two as well, but that's about it. That's assembled. I've no idea how easily that glass will break. I'm assuming that as it's intended for drinking straws, that should be reasonably strong. But I think we'll be fairly gentle running it. Let's see how we get on. I'll put some rubber bands on it. Right. I'm going to be fairly gentle winding it up. Like I said, I've no idea how strong that glass is. Well, it runs. Went a bit left, so I probably haven't pushed one of the tubes fully home, and it's probably twisted. Oh, wheel spin. Oh dear. I won't try and put rubber tyres on it. I'll go and get my non-slip mat. Right. Well, it survived that. We're still going a bit left. Turn it upside down, it should go right. Off we go again. I'm going straight this time. Full distance. Okay, we'll see if we can hit the camera. Well, that works. So that's our glass drinking straw rubber band powered car. You might have noticed I actually used translucent filament or clear filament just to give it a bit of added clarity. This is more like dare I say it, more like artwork than actually making rubber band powered cars. Yeah, I like that one. I might save that.